everyone, welcome back to Cooking with Kani. Today I'm going to make Pfeffernüsse cookies using this kit from Trader Joe's. They are German-style spice cookies made with molasses, and I thought they just sounded really, really good. I love using these kits because it just makes it really easy. All you need to do is add an egg and unsalted butter, and it even includes the powdered sugar that you will need to dust the cookies with after they are baked. So let's just get right into it, and I'll let you know what I think. So this is what you get in the kit. You get a pouch of the cookie mix, and then you also get a small pouch of powdered sugar, which I thought was really a nice addition. And you don't have to go out and buy your own powdered sugar. The first thing you want to do is cream your butter. You want to make sure your butter is at room temperature, and you just want to mix it for about a minute, just until it's creamy. So now I'm adding the egg and the entire pouch of the cookie mix, and I'm going to mix that together until it is thoroughly combined. So as you can see, the mix has a crumbly texture. In the directions on the box, it does say that the mix will have a crumbly texture, but you want to make sure that when you press it in your hand, it does form a ball. And I'm just mixing it with my spatula to make sure that it's mixed very well. So once that is done, we can move on to forming the cookies. So I'm going to use this cookie scoop to help me form even-sized balls. And I'm just pressing it together in my hand like this, and the dough comes together really well. And just forming balls, and then I'm going to use a silk pat line cooking sheet to make sure that the cookies come off the cookie sheet without sticking. I love to use silk pads. If you don't have them, you can always use parchment paper as well. And I'm just going to form the cookies, and it says it makes about 30 cookies. It just depends on how big or small you make your cookies. I think I yielded about 24, so mine were probably a little bit bigger than what the package called for. But I like the size, so you just determine what size works best for your needs. Alright, so these are the cookies fresh out of the oven. I baked them at 325 for 13 minutes. The instructions say 11 to 13. You want to make sure that the top has a cracked look to it and that they are golden brown. So I'm just going to let these cool a little bit, and then I'm going to move them to a cooling rack to cool completely. And then once they're completely cooled, the last step is to dust them in powdered sugar. So I have to just say that these cookies smell absolutely delicious. I mean, my whole house just smelled like the holidays. Like, you could smell the molasses, the spices, and they were just so very easy to make. So I love Trader Joe's kits for this. If you're not a baker at heart and you want something tasty and quick, check out Trader Joe's. They have some very easy kits, and all of the recipes are delicious. These cookies are absolutely delicious. If you like spices, carrot cake, spice cake, you will absolutely love this. And I love the texture. They were slightly chewy, and I love that. So I want to thank you for watching. Please press that like button and subscribe if you're not part of my viewing family. And until next time, happy cooking.